Hey everybody, let's talk about a big trend that's been sweeping through our generation, self-help videos. You might be thinking, self-help videos are awesome. They help me learn and grow. But let's pause for a second and dig a bit deeper. Are they really as helpful as they seem? First off, I get it. Self-help videos are super addictive. They promise quick fixes, life hacks, and instant motivation. Who doesn't love that? But here's the catch. They can actually become a trap. Think about it. You watch one video that tells you to wake up at 5 a.m. to be successful. Then another one says you need to meditate for an hour every day. And yet another insists on reading a book a week. Before you know it, you're overwhelmed with a million things you should be doing. It's exhausting. The biggest issue here is that self-help videos can distract you from actually taking action. Watching feels productive, but it's a passive activity. You're consuming content instead of creating your own path. It's like eating junk food. It feels good in the moment, but it doesn't really nourish you. Another point to consider, self-help content can set unrealistic expectations. Not every piece of advice will work for everyone. We're all unique, right? What works for one person might not work for you, and that's okay. The problem is, when these tips don't work, you might feel like a failure. But it's not your fault. It just means that advice wasn't tailored for you. Instead, focus on experimenting and finding what works best for you. Make small changes and see how they impact your life. It's all about trial and error. And remember, it's perfectly fine to seek help and advice. Just don't rely solely on those flashy, quick fix videos. So what's the takeaway here? Be mindful of how much time you're spending on self-help videos. Use them as a tool, not a crutch. Take the tips that resonate with you, but don't be afraid to carve out your own path. Your journey is unique and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Trust yourself and take actionable steps towards your goals. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.